All right, I think we're live here. So I wanted to just welcome everyone to this career fair. I think I see 48 of you, 51 of you now. This is also live on our Zoom channel as well. If you're tuning in, say something in the live chat. I'd like to know that you're all here and that you're all here for the career fair, and tell me what you're most excited about as we begin what we are doing today. This is the first virtual career fair that we've done since this whole entire pandemic began. We've been doing webinars since the early days of March 2020 last year. Welcome, everybody. I'm glad to see the comments here. And so I just want to talk a little bit about how to get the most out of this event today. I hopefully won't be here as much as the rest of you will need to be. So I'm glad that, wow, there's 64 of you here. This is more than I ever imagined, which is amazing. And yeah, do share with us what your where you're from, what kind of job you're looking for. I'm glad to see the variety of different locations as well, and just to go from there. So, yeah, I'm just going to be talking here for hopefully 15 minutes. I won't be in your hair for too long. But my name is Albert. I am the founder of Albert's List. This is actually our 8th year in existence. We've been going since March 5th of 2013. So if you think about it, Friday is our 8-year anniversary, which is pretty awesome. And it's really cool that we're getting a lot of people from different locations and different places. That's really awesome too. So yeah, we're starting with a couple of events today. Corey Hiramoto is going to kick off our events here starting at 1:30. He's going to talk about how to master the job interview. And for those of you who are here for the very first time, Corey is a Fortune 5 recruiter. He's the founder of careershakers.com. And he is also the person who does our mock interviews every single Monday nights over on our Facebook page and over here on Zoom. And so if that's something you're interested in looking more about, you're more than welcome to join us for that. Then at 2 p.m. Pacific time, we have how to build a LinkedIn profile that gets seen with Andrea Mazier of Andrea Mazier Coaching. She's the millennial career coach, and she's done webinars before as well. She's going to talk to you about how you can build that LinkedIn profile that people are going to come into as they are able to learn more about who you are and to get your job in front of other people. I'm really seeing a lot of really great engagement from our chat. Please connect with each other as well if you find a need for that too. Starting at 3 o'clock, we have your leadership brand, how you can use your leadership to gain your next job with Mo Rubenzal and Lizelle Mendoza of the Mentoring Club. And so if you're looking for a mentor, if you want to understand how mentorship works, that's really going to help you get to the next level. Then at 4 o'clock, we have How to Land and Write a Resume That Gets You a Six-Figure Job by Ashley Cash. She's a renowned career coach located in the Midwest in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. And so, many of you are working in tech. Many of you want to work in tech. Let's get you into that today and now. At 5 o'clock, we have How to Network Like a Boss with Manny Duenas of Career Doctor. He's going to tell you how you can network, how you can write the messages that get heard, how to get the replies that you've been looking for. And so it's a great opportunity for folks to get to know who you are, know where you are, and more. And then at 6 o'clock, you have How to Find the Job That Sticks in 2021 with Stella Yuan of Find Your Peanut Butter. And so this is going to be a really great webinar because, we're all looking for that job that we can go into and hopefully, ride out the rest of COVID-19 with and into the next year, right? We all want to get that job that gets us for 2 to 3 years and really be able to make sense of all of that. And so, you know what, that's those are going to be the things that are leading off and kicking us off today. And so in addition to that, I want to also highlight some of the employers that we have. So we have Hire, who is sponsoring our event today. So thank you to them. And thank you to their sponsorship for the platform as well. They're looking for a UX intern, the last I checked. So go check them out, set up a meeting with them. Brix Labs They're also here today. They are a Southern California-based technology consulting firm. They are looking for mid-level software engineers, data scientists, artificial intelligence professionals. So if you're looking for any jobs in that area and you have above 3 years of experience, be sure to set a time to speak with Selena Mendoza or her intern Michael Chan, and tell them both that I sent you. We also have Foxit Software. So if you're into PDFs and you know that market, I encourage you to join that and really get to know everybody over there. Greg Buchler is the recruiter on that particular company, and he'll be there and ready to take your calls. Basima Tony is another one. They are a staffing firm run by my friend Lou Majid. They are looking for some sales, marketing, and operations talent. He's posted a couple of jobs there, and so I encourage you to check them out. And then followed by the University of Phoenix Bay Area. They are looking for all sorts of different roles. They are a longtime sponsor of ours. Stop by, tell Bruce Williams I said hello. To answer one of your questions here, Vincent, you said any way to filter roles that do not require a permit or citizenship. I do not have that available for me today, so I don't know that I can really share that with you. Pega, I'm going through the career fair list under your student view. You should be able to see all the employers possible, and I just want to put that out there so folks can see you. Finally, we have Jobseer.ai. They're a firm that actually helps people look for jobs. So in addition to sponsoring us today, go forward and look at them and talk to them about what they have that is available. And so I want to spend the rest of the time figuring out how you can spend the next 6 hours of your day today. Right? We have webinars going all the way until 7 o'clock today, in addition to meetings that you have set up with folks who are having tables. I want you to be able to make the most of your time because 6 hours is a lot of time. And so what do you do to make the most of it? I think number one is to know what it is that you're looking for. We weren't unfortunately able to get as many tables as I'd like this time around because I think the economy is still very much in recovery. But I want you to know that knowing what kind of jobs you want, knowing where it is that you want to move into are all going to be very important. Vertant Shukla, I know you just asked me if there's any automotive and renewable energy companies. I don't see any on the list today, but somebody might know somebody, or maybe some of these might be working with others as well. And so, yeah, absolutely take a look at what's being offered here, and make sure that you can get into those conversations, though that things make sense. Another world, I noticed that you're asking about how you can book slots. So go to the companies that are sponsoring, click on View Booth, and then you'll be able to schedule some time with them. Number two, I would say attend. My second tip for today is for you to go ahead and attend any of these breakout sessions that we have. And so these breakout sessions cover everything from your ability from writing a LinkedIn profile to writing a resume to networking to really finding that job that sticks and being reflective about what is about what it is that you are looking to do. Let's see, Stephanie, you're asking where that Jill, you're asking where that list is. It is if you're logged in, you should be able to see the employers that are there and be able to look at the one-on-one video meetings and the group webinar sessions, as well as a resume drop-off. So definitely take a look at those. Definitely have a look-see, and go in from there. Really cool seeing how many of you where you're all from. Really awesome. And then number three, I want to invite all of you, if possible, to also join us on our Facebook page to continue the conversation when everything is done. And so I just dropped a link for the Facebook group within our community, and so I want you to take a look at that. We have additional jobs and abilities to network and get advice with other people. So I know some of you are asking that you booked a slot. Where do you go for the one-on-one? If I understand correctly, so the way that this would work, I'm actually going to go ahead and log into somebody else's log into somebody else's profile here. Actually, I don't know that I can do that here. But the way that this all works is that if you're able to go into the company profile page and book that meeting, and then when that meeting time is scheduled, go in from there. That I think is how this whole entire process works. So I'm still figuring out how this goes as the process works out as well. Again, I'm doing this for the very first time, so all of us are learning and going along with it. The rest of our sessions are actually not on YouTube Live. They are within the Hire platform. So if you go back to the main event page, you'll notice that we have Join Live Sessions. Click on the button that says Join, and you'll all be able to get in. And so, yeah. Jerry Ann, I saw that you're looking for a director of product marketing job. I believe my friend Lou Majid of Basimatoni is looking for a director of marketing person. So that is perfect for you. All right. I don't know if any of you have any other questions. I know a lot of you are chatting away here in the live chat. Please feel free to connect, drop your LinkedIn, go from there. And this is amazing that we have 209 people here watching on LinkedIn, on YouTube, excuse me. And so that's pretty awesome. Karan, you're asking if there's any aerodynamics or mechanical engineering companies. The closest one that I think might get to that would be Bricks Labs. We're working with a lot of different software companies here. So I would say reach out, talk to folks, and continue networking and just meet more people. And I think there's a chance to network with other people as well. Hire will not be running after 7 p.m. I don't believe that you'll be able to log in for a live event after 7 p.m., but you might be able to see the event after the event is over. So yeah, with that said, I'm going to let you all go and go in from there, and use this chat as it goes along, and I'm going to wish you all the best, and I'm going to try and do more fairs in the future. There are companies and organizations that I do want to partner with so I can get more employers through the door as well as people through the door, and so we can go from there, and just watch out for all of our events and whatnot. We also have additional webinars that we do on a regular basis. So for example, this Friday, we have an event with the professor of economics at the University of New Mexico, talking about the latest job search numbers. And so feel free to join that and go and look at our Eventbrite page. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and share that with all of you right now, and then go from there. So yeah. Okay, so and as far as the webinar replays, I do not know. They may still be available at the links after they are being recorded. Yeah, thank you all. I'm looking forward to serving you all today. Please feel free to email me. You do have my email because I've been sending them to you from my Eventbrite, and we'll go from there. All right, cool. So thank you all so much again. Thank you all so much for investing and spending your time. There is a talk between 5 and 7. There's actually 2 talks, one at 5 and one at 6. And I will talk to you all soon. Yes, Kevin, you are able to chat with recruiters. You are able to talk with them. And so go to the event page and go from there. All right. Thank you all. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great career fair. Best of luck with everything. And if you want to find a way to talk to me, I know you'll find a way to find me. So have a good day, everybody. Bye.